What's up everyone? Welcome back to another heavy bag training video. In today's video, we're going to be focusing on the rear uppercut for the combinations and drills. For our first combination, we're going to be throwing our jab and our rear uppercut. 1 and 6. Ready? Go. Jab, uppercut. And I'm making sure that I'm bringing the punches back to my guard, right? Jab, bring it back. Uppercut, bring it back. You'll notice sometimes I'll aim high for the person's guard or the chin or towards the body for the uppercut, okay? One and 6, jab, rear uppercut. Bring your punches back to your guard. Now we're gonna throw 1, 6, 3, okay? Jab, uppercut, lead hook. Next, we're going jab, uppercut, hook, cross. 1, 6, 3, 2. Next, we're going 1, 6, 2, 3, 2. Go. Think I messed that one up. 1, 6, 2, 3, 2. 1, 6, 2, 3, 2. Jab, uppercut, cross, lead hook, cross. A few more seconds. Time. For the next one, we're gonna throw 1, 6, body 3, okay? Get set, go. One, 6, 3, body. Keep going. For the next combination, we're going to throw 1, 6, 3, 5, 3 body. Get set, go. One, 6, 3, 5, 3 body. Keep it going. Time. For this next combination, we're going to throw 1, 6, 4, 3, 4, body 3. Get set, go. 1, 6, 4, 3, 4, body 3. Keep going. 1, 6, 4, 3, 4, body 3. Hush, 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 hush. Hush, 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 hush. 1, 6, 4, 3, 4, body 3. Hup, 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 hup. Hush, 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 hush. Hup, 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 hup. 1, 6, 4, 3, 4, body 3. Hush, 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 hush. Time. For our next combination, we're going to throw 1, 2, 3, 6, 2, and then followed by a lead round kick. You can step or you can switch. Okay? Because I'm close, I'm going to go for the switch kick. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 6, reload it, 2, switch round kick, keep going. 1, 2, 3, 6, 2, round kick. 1, 2, 3, 6, 2, round kick. Keep it going. Hush, 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 hush. 1, 2, up, 3, 6, 2, round kick. 1, 2, 3, 6, 2, switch, round kick. Keep it going. Hush, 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 hush. Shh. So when I do my switch kick, you'll see that I'll switch and I'll change my arms out as I go. Now I'm using my arms for momentum on my spin. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 6, 2. Switch round kick. For this combination, we're going to throw 1, 1, 6, 2, 3, rear round kick, bring it back. Cross, lead round kick, or your switch kick. Get set, go. 1, 1, 6, 2, 3, rear round kick low, reset, 2, switch round kick off the lead leg. Keep going. 1, 1, 6, 2, 3, low round kick, cross, lead round kick. Keep it going. 1, 1, 6, 2, 3, low, 2, switch. Hush, 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 hush. Hush, 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 hush. Hush, 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 hush. Hush, 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 hush. Time. For this combination, we're gonna throw 1, 1, 6, 3, 2, 3, rear round kick low, 2, switch kick with the lead leg. Get set, go. 1, 1, 6, 3, 2, 3, round kick low, 2, switch round kick. 1, 1, 6, 3, 2, 3, rear round kick, cross, lead round kick. Keep it going. 1, 1, 6, 3, 2, 3, 2. 1, 1, 6, 3, 2, 3, kick, 2, lead round kick. Keep it going. Hush, 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 hush. Jab, jab, uppercut, hook, cross, hook, kick, cross, kick. Hush, 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 hush. 1, 1, 6, 3, 2, 3, kick, cross, kick. Hush, 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 hush. Time. Okay, for this drill, we're gonna throw 1, 2, but now we're gonna play defense, either a high guard or low, okay? But our counter, whether we're blocking this cross or hook, so the person's throwing here to our head, or the person's throwing here to our body, our counter is simple, 6, 3, 2, okay? So let's go ahead and imagine that for like 1 minute. You throw 1, 2, you block, and notice I do both at the same time, okay? Because I'm getting ready to throw my 6, 3, 2 counter. And it's all timing. You could throw 1, 2, and you'll see they're going for like a hook or a cross. So you high guard, 6, 3, 2. Or you'll see they're coming to your body, and you block, counter, 6, 3, 2. Keep it going. 1, 2, high block, 6, 3, 2. 1, 2, low block, 6, 3, 2. 1, 2, high block, 6, 3, 2. 1, 2, low block, 6, 3, 2. 1, 2, high block, 6, 3, 2. 1, 2, low block, 6, 3, 2. 1, 2, block, block, 6, 3, 2. 1, 2, 6, 3, 2. 1, 2, 6, 3, 2. Jab cross, high block, low block, 6, 3, 2. Hush, 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 hush. Hush, hush, hush. Hush, hush, hush. Shh. Hush, hush, hush. Hush, hush, hush. Shh. Shh, shh, shh. Hush, hush. Hush, 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 hush. 1, 2, block, block. 6, 3, 2, counter. Shh, hush. Time. For this round, we're gonna do a burnout. Every 20 seconds, we throw uppercuts with a 10-second break. So your 5s and 6s on the bag. Get set, go. 5s and 6s. You'll notice sometimes I'll keep my hand in my guard, sometimes I won't. That's okay, this is just a drill. Okay? But what I am trying to do is I'm trying to roll them back to my guard. We're just getting in some conditioning. 5s and 6s, okay? Time. Shake it out. Pick it up. The next round. We got 2 more. Get set. Go. Three, 2, 1. Shake it out. 1 more round. Dig on the next one. Dig. Little speed, a little power. Mix it up. Last burnout. Get set. Go. Hush, 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 hush. Use the hips. Hush, 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 hush. Time. Done. Okay, everyone, that's going to be it for today's heavy bag training video. Thank you for joining me. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. Peace. Have a great day.